こんにちは、こんばんは。今日は日本地図パズルをやってみよう。Hi everyone, let's do a puzzle of the map of Japan. It's a really good one and there's loads of interesting things to learn from this puzzle. We'll not be able to cover everything today, but I'll cover as much as I can. So we're going to start with the lower section of Japan. So this is Fukuoka-ken, which is Fukuoka Prefecture. The map shows you what each area of Japan is famous for or what people go and visit there for. And it also shows you the main rail lines. And here is Hiroshima-ken, Hiroshima. And this is Kochi-ken, Kochi Prefecture. It shows us that this prefecture is famous for sea turtles and koinobori, the fish flags for Children's Day. And now we're moving over here to Miyagi-ken. They are famous for growing piman and they have a lovely gorge. It's very famous and it's definitely something on my to-see list if I ever get to Japan. This is Nagasaki. It's famous for volcanoes and a peace park. Fukuoka is a large city in the northern part of Fukuoka-ken. Kagoshima-ken is famous for sweet potatoes called satsumaimo, and mikans, which are persimmons, mikan. Now we come to Hiroshima-ken. Hiroshima-ken is also very famous for growing mikan. And it also has a very famous torii gate called Miyajima. This is Ehime-ken, Ehime Prefecture. Ehime is very beautiful with lots of nature. It's a very beautiful prefecture. In Japanese, lighthouses are called todai. Here in Hiroshima-ken, they make fude, which is the Japanese pen, and they grow very delicious grapes called muscato, and Japanese pears called nashi. They look like apples, but they're actually a Japanese pear. And this is my absolute favourite place in this area, and it's in Oita-ken, and it's called Beppu. It is an onsen town. It's so full of onsens that steam comes up out of all the manholes in the town. It looks so beautiful. I hope you found this interesting. Thanks for watching. Bye!